Hey folks, Bob here. Okay, this is the front clip that I got off the parts car for Furious, and my fender, passenger fender on Furious, got a ton of Bondo in it, so I'm gonna pull this fender. This fender here is solid. As you can see, it's got a little surface rust right here, but we're gonna take care of that. We got a little dent right here. Take care of that. And I believe all I got to do is those 3 bolts right up in there. A 1, a 2, a 3. Well, just 2. One of them's already removed. And then there's 3 screws right over here. A 1, a 2, a 3. And I'm sure they're froze up, but we'll do it. We can see if we can get them off. And we'll get this fender out of the way. I'm going to save the rest of this stuff too for future use, but this is the only piece I happen to need right at the moment. Alright, let me get to work. Okay, I got the fenders dismounted from the header panel. So I'll put these 2 here, the driver's fender and the header panel, up on the loft for safekeeping. And I'll go to work on this one here. Drill my Swiss cheese lightning holes. And this is a good solid fender, and go ahead and start treating some of this rust. Have it ready. Get started on this.